What's up, and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and this is the free play that I gave out yesterday on the free play video. But we're back today. We're going to give out another free play for Thursday Night Football between the Seattle Seahawks and the Arizona Cardinals. They're playing at Arizona, so I'm loving this lineup for today. So we got some free plays for you today. But let's do a little recap. So this is the free play that I gave out yesterday. If you guys aren't on Winible over here, go to my store right here. It's winnable.com/907fantasysports. You can get on the free plan where I send out free plays every single day, or you can get on any of the VIP passes for that. But some of the plays from yesterday, we ended up cashing on that. So 10 into 23 over on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, use the code 907fantasy. They're going to give you $20 of free money just to go and play with when you use the code 907fantasy when signing up. Then over on Prizepicks, they did three, I believe it was 35% payout increases. So we hit this one 5 into 12.15 there. Hit this one 5 into 10 on the discount from Blake Snell. Hit this one 5 into 10.80 there. That was an easy win there with Jesus. And then we hit this one over on BETR. Juan Soto, Paul Skeens. Hit this one over on BETR as well. So we had some nice wins. Very profitable yesterday on VIP. So make sure to get on VIP. This was sent out just to the free plan, just for being there. So make sure to get involved on that over on Winible. And let's go over to Prizepicks. So today they've discounted Kyler Murray. They also have the Jalen Hurts discount, so where you could pair up either one of these. But for the next 5 hours before before kickoff, Kyler Murray is discounted from 212.5 passing yards down to 177.5 passing yards. So he's gone under this line twice already this year, but it's a discount. We're still going to take it. These hit at like a 75% rate usually. So I'm taking that one of Kyler Murray over 177.5 passing yards. Now, we're going to go over here, and we're going to find, where is it? So we're going to go receiving yards. It's going to be a 3-leg, I'm thinking here. So we're going to go Jackson Smith and Jigba over 50. That's a guaranteed. If he doesn't hit that, I don't know. He's gone 124, 103, 96 so far with Sam Darnold as his quarterback. This year. So loving this line, 50. All we needed him to do is get about half of what he's been usually getting. So that's an easy win. We could just stop there for a nice 2x payout of 5 into 10. But let's go over here, and let's take a look at point attempts made. So we're going to take a look here. Jason Myers. They scored 5 touchdowns, 4 touchdowns in their last 2 games. So if him to get 2 touchdowns today with the over-under of 43.5, I'm loving that lineup. So each team should get about three touchdowns or so is what they're predicting here to give us a 42. But I like this line here of over 1.5. Point after attempts made. So loving that lineup there, and that brings our total to 5 into 12. But one thing that I like doing is, okay, if they're going to make 2-point attempts, more than likely Sam Darnold's going to be throwing for one of them. So he's thrown 2 touchdown passes in the last 2 games. So we're going to take him over 1 passing touchdown here. We could look at Kyler Murray as well. He's been passing for at least 1 every game. But I'm liking this lineup here. My bet is that Seattle is going to win this game. I'm taking the money line on Seattle as well. If you guys are new to Rebet, use the code down in the description below. Use that link, get on Rebet, and you can take money lines on there as well. Over-unders, spreads, all that. So I'm taking the Seattle Seahawks money line as well. So there's another free pick for you. But I'm thinking Seattle's going to outright win this game. So I'm betting more on Seattle's side. And if Seattle's leading, Kyler Murray's going to have to be passing the ball. So liking this line here at 177.5 passing yards. turn 5 into 13 there for us. So loving this lineup. We could even go to, we're just going to go the 1. Over half, or 1 passing touchdown there for us. So we're going to take that as the free play for today. So let's lock that in here. Oh, what a bummer. They've patched it. All right, well, we're going to take Sam Darnold out of there, and we'll go 5 into 12 here. So that's the official free play for today. Is Kyler Murray over 177.5 passing yards, Jackson Smith and Jigba over 50 receiving yards, and then Jason Myers, the kicker, over 1.5 point after attempts made. So loving this lineup. Spreads 1.5. Seattle Seahawks favorited. Seattle their defense has been phenomenal this year. They've had a good defense, and then Kyler Murray, he's just been kind of okay. He's 2-8, I believe, against Seattle in his career. So not a great record there for him. And so if you guys are new there to the Winible, make sure to go over there, get signed up for the free plan. That's where I'm going to send out multiple free plays. VIPs going out as well. You can get signed up with the code Jackson over on the VIP Gold level, along with the NFL College Football Season Pass. That's going to get you 85% off when you use the code Jackson, Jaxon. So go ahead and get locked in over there. Good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another profitable day. And like I said, if you guys are not on any of like Sleeper, Chalkboard, any of those, make sure to go ahead and get signed up. Use the code 907fantasy when you're getting signed up, and they're going to hook you up with multiple promotions out there. Better's going to hook you up with, I believe it's $200 plus 2 free plays. Sleeper's going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match. Chalkboard's going to hook you up with $20. So lots of free money out there. Use the code 907fantasy when you're getting signed up over there. All those links are going to be down in the description below. Let's go have another profitable day. Good luck with all of your lineups for Thursday Night Football. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for some college football player props and spreads. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys then. Peace.